Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 7a, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. To get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen. Do so once again to extend the list of toggles. And as you can see, one of the toggles is battery saver. So once you see this toggle, simply press on it. I think I just pressed on the text. It looks like anytime you press on it, it brings up this overlay right here. So it gives us a message: turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. Now the last part, the delays notifications, will be the most important one. So based on that notification, we can assume that the device will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used, and reconnect to it once every like 10-20 minutes, depending on what it's set to. So between the times that it reconnects, for just to check if it's missing something, you won't be getting any kind of notifications, which obviously might be fairly important if you're relying on like notifications being delivered to you when they are being sent. So anyway, we're gonna select turn on, and as you can see, it turns on, and that's about it. It looks like it does also lower the brightness of your display just a little bit. So yeah. Anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode and you want to turn it off, find the toggle, tap on it once again, and it will disable it and automatically go back to functioning as it did before. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.